On your marks, get set. And here they go. Danny's in the lead. Karen's in second place. And here comes Easton. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold that potato sack. Hold it up. Hold it up high, Easton. That's it. Good job. When you get to the double cone, go around it and go all the way back. All right, around the double cone. Up. Karen, got to go to the double cone. Around the double cone. Oh, wipe out. Here we go, around that cone. Good job, Danny. Good job, Easton. Pull that potato sack up. Pull it up high. That's it. Good job, you guys. Almost there. All right, and here comes Easton all the way into the home stretch. Go, 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 go. Keep going. That's it. Good bouncing. Keep hopping, keep hopping. You're almost there. Whoop, hold it up high. Hold it up high. That's it. Hey, hey, good job. Good bouncing. You're almost there. You're almost there. Good job. And here comes number 4 down to the finish line. Hold it up high. That's it. Pull it way up. You're almost there. Number 4 is coming into the finish line. It's Easton Haru in the potato sack. Almost there. He's going to make it. Oh, he wiped out. Almost. Oh, the king, number 4. Get down to the finish line. You can do it. And he finished. Everybody finished the race. I can't believe it.
Can I do the whistle now?
Good job. Sure. You want to blow the whistle? Here you go.
Dan, you want to do it again? I'm going to blow with the whistle now.
Okay, blow the whistle. Oops, you got to turn it over.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, that way.